Welcome back to What's the Frame? In this episode, we're really going to look at working with the environment which you find yourself in. In this episode, we're looking at a photo that was taken of Loftus Road, which is home of Queen's Park Rangers in the Championship Football League. Now, this is a real prime example of just using the environment that you find yourself in. Don't overcomplicate things, don't try to go too drastic or not. What you want to do is basically use what you have. So this image is obviously based in London. So what we wanted to do was make sure that, first of all, we captured the setting. So we have the horizon shot, which has obviously got the landmarks behind it and all of the high-rises in the city centre. But where Loftus Road sits is in White City. So we've got the old television house, or television centre as it were, which is a really nice feature that we wanted to showcase as well. But the thing that makes this image is the green of the football pitch that sits within this urban setting. Because it's obviously a newly renovated football pitch, it looks brand spanking new, it's really vibrant and looks immaculate. So it's almost like a carpet, this green oasis within the city. And that was really what I was thinking about when I was taking this image. It's such a contrast to the rest of the colours and everything else that sits within this cityscape that it just works perfectly as is. Don't want to overcomplicate it, I don't want to go too crazy. I just want to get a city setting with this in. Now, the other little elements that really add to this and help with the eye line are things like the road. So the way the road runs through the image like that works really well. Had we taken it at a slightly different angle, it might be slightly overbearing and start to dominate the frame. Obviously, you've got this road as well, so naturally takes the eye line up the image, which we want it to do. Because if you think about the image, first of all, your eyes are going to hit this, and then we want you to look up here. So what we want is all of the elements pointing towards that and hopefully giving our viewer exactly that experience. So that is why I like this image.